hands like this. Loose. Don't rest it on your lap. Don't rest it on your lap. It should be like this. Okay? It should be like this. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Attention on your palm. Put your complete attention on your palm. Think as if you are sitting in a very large place like this, in an open ground above the globe. All around energy. All around energy. And the energy is just flowing on to your body. Just feel, imagine that the energy is flowing all through your body. The energy is flowing to your head, your neck, chest, stomach, thighs, legs. Imagine a color of energy. From all over the universe, the color of the energy just flowing all over your body. It is flowing inside your head, neck, chest, stomach, thighs, legs. It just flows. And you are able to feel the energy in your palm. You are able to feel as if someone has set weight on your hand. You feel some weight in your hand. You feel some kind of weight on your palm. Some kind of weight on your palm. Now slowly open your eyes and look at me. Slowly open your eyes and look at me. Do like this. Slowly do like this. Close your eyes and look. Close your eyes and look. You may be feeling something. Your ball is just going up and down. Close your eyes and look. Close your eyes and look. Feel it. Something is going and coming down. Something is going and coming down. Something is going and coming down. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Put your complete attention on your palm. Slowly you have to do it. Slowly. Slowly. The movement should be very slow. Just go up and come. Go up and come. And feel something is just going up and coming. The energy. The ball, etc. Something is just going up and coming. Take a deep breath. Slowly open your eyes. Do like this. Spread your energy. How many of you were able to feel some kind of something is going and coming up? Raise your hands. Thank you very much. We will go to the hall.